What's up guys, it's Kelly, and today for Nail Art Sunday I decided, since it's June and it's Pride Month, it would be appropriate to do a fun little rainbow manicure. So this manicure is actually inspired by Let's Nail Moscow on Instagram. I will link her original picture down below, but yeah, this is just a really fun little manicure that's subtle and it's cute and it's perfect for summer or really any time of year if you just like rainbows. And I'm actually really excited because I'm using Ice Cream Nails polishes for this. Now I used to use their polishes all the time, especially for gradients in my videos, but a lot of you guys complained because they were only available in Australia, but now they're available internationally and I'm so happy about it. So I'm using them for this video. I also have a discount code, which I'm going to link down below if you guys are interested. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get started with the video. So for this manicure, I am going to be using my Cuccio base coat, which is the one that I normally just grab for, Ice Cream Nails Pure Angel, and then I'm also going to be using 5 of their scented line, which are just like a really fun little rainbow of bright colors. I will link all of them down below so you guys can check them out if you're interested in any of these. I am also going to be using their white polish and my Cuccio top coat, which is another one that I always use, as well as matte top coat because you know I can't resist mattifying a manicure. And then I'm going to use this tiny little nail art brush from Nail Stuff, which is a nail art retailer. This brush is amazing and it's so precise and tiny. I'm obsessed with it. And I'm also going to use one of their dotting tools. I know this one's dirty, but I filmed this after I filmed the video, so sorry about that. I was too lazy to clean it. Anyway, so to start off this manicure, I am just starting with my clean natural nail and applying my base coat. Once that's dry, I'm going to go in with 1 to 2 coats of this really gorgeous color. Now I wanted it to be a sheer background color so you could see my nail and visible nail line through that, but you can use honestly any background base color or really just any color that you want. So to prepare for this manicure, I'm going to actually lay out all of the colors that I'm going to use on a silicone mat. This just makes it easier since I want to kind of work quickly. I'm just going to have all of the colors ready, and you might have to replenish after each nail just because the colors might dry up as they're on the mat, but as long as you have them all laid out, you really can't mess up the order or anything. Not like anybody would be messing up rainbow order, but I'm going to start off with the smallest part of the rainbow, and that is going to be the purple. So we're just kind of going in backwards rainbow order, and I'm really just drawing a teeny tiny little C. As you saw in the intro, I am doing the rainbow in like a different random spot on each of my nails, but if you prefer, you can do them all kind of in the center like this. It's really just the same concept for each part of the manicure and for each nail, even if you're doing it in different positions, because all you're doing is basically just drawing that one little tiny purple C, and then you're just taking that tiny nail art brush with each different color on it, and then you're going to paint the next line. So it's really easy. All you have to do is just dip the color in and then just kind of trace over where the last color was. It actually doesn't take too much effort once you get used to it. So if you're kind of a shaky artist or if your hands tend to wiggle a little bit, I feel like that is the only issue that you might come up with for this type of manicure because it is freehand. But one trick that I like to do is I like to rest the base of my hand that I'm painting with on the table, and I use that to kind of steady myself and keep myself from getting super shaky. I actually have a ton of other tips on my video on how to draw on your dominant hand, because I know that's a big issue for a lot of you guys where you love doing freehand nail art, but it just doesn't come out the same on that dominant hand when you're painting with your non-dominant hand. So if you guys are interested, I will link that up in the cards so you can check that out, but that is just one of the tips that I mentioned, and that is just my favorite thing to do when I'm doing nail art. I find that it really helps me stay steady, and a lot of you guys say that I'm not shaky at all, so it must be working. So once I'm done with that rainbow, I'm going to lay out some of that gorgeous white nail polish, which is super opaque. This one's a 1-coater, and I'm going to start drawing a little line of dots that get smaller as they go down onto my nail. And these are going to be my clouds. It honestly takes no effort whatsoever to do clouds on your nails. If you want to do a full cloud manicure, you go right ahead because it is so super easy. You're literally just drawing little random dots in a pile that kind of looks like a cloud. If you want to get more technical with it and draw the shadows and stuff, you can do that too, but that's a little beyond my comprehension. So I'm just cleaning up the manicure because I kind of made a mess on my skin. I'm just using acetone and a little cleanup brush, and then once I'm done, I'm just going to go ahead and add my glossy top coat. And I do the glossy top coat and then the matte top coat just to make sure that my manicure is like one final layer. That helps my matte top coat look really nice, and it just makes it look, I don't know, a little bit more cohesive. But anyway, that is it for this video. I hope you guys guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments what you think, what you're wearing for Pride Month, and what you want to see next. And I'll talk to you later. Bye!